What's up, guys? And today I'm gonna be doing a what's inside a special thing. Now today I don't have a camera guy because you know, that's my brother, but he didn't want to record today. So I'm gonna be doing what's inside this marble. Can you see it? Wait, what is outside? Go outside. Oh, this is cool. Looks like this. Got Mr. Birdie over here. Hey, Mr. Birdie. There's a lot of poopy there. So, got some treats. And Mr. Green Birdie. So let's just go outside and don't worry, nothing's gonna be harmed today. Actually, it is, but you know, there's some helicopters over here. Okay. Oh no, how am I gonna hold this? Okay. Guess we have to go next to the buddy. Hey, what's up, little buddy? Now, sitting down on the stairs. Scooter, little buddy. Just put this on the floor. And should we go like this first? Like this, or like this? I feel like if I go like this, it's gonna just slip out. And if I go like this, probably it'll slip out. So I might go like this. Oh no, this is gonna be hard. Wait, I can't record this. I'm just gonna record this. This is gonna be hard. Maybe I should just. Okay, this is probably a good angle. Whoa, that's so close. Yucky. Oh. Oh no. Did I break it? No. Just made a tiny scratch. How am I supposed to break this? I don't know if I should put the camera down. Then I can't get the action. But this is gonna be more harder to put no camera on. So I'm just gonna put. I'm just going like this and putting it in here. So this is so difficult. Okay, so let's just put the marble right there and let's go for round 2. Oh, that was a good hit. Nothing. No damage. He's gonna take. Oh, what a good hit. Oops. Drop the iPad. Why is it orange? Why is that orange? Oh, that's so weird. Is that orange? It's just me. Pretty sure it's orange. Okay, maybe I should just put the camera down on Mr. Birdie. Wait, I can't do that. Wait, where did it go? Oh. That's a little birdie. Now I'm gonna break this marble with this tiny plastic tool. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, oh, it just disappeared. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that. Oh, this is a piece of it. That was so loud. That was so funny. It flew everywhere. I can't find it. This is the only piece that I found. Oh, there's one right here. That was so funny. When I did it, that was so loud. I got scared. Well, I didn't get scared, but that was pretty cool. Whoa. So, these are the only pieces that I found. Just 2 pieces. But, well, that's it. Can't find it. So, these can go yoink. And, oh, wait, is that a piece or did I just throw that? Oh, no, that's something else. This is another piece. Another one. Should I break this again? I think I will. No, I'm pretty sure this is the same piece. It feels the same. Like the same size, the same No. So let me just put the camera down again. This time I'm going to try to catch it on the camera. So I feel like it works, or I hit it like this. Can you see it? It's right here. Nope. And let's go. Oh, that was cool. It looks like ice, like crumbled ice. And like 6 minutes. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.